COVID day 1. Oh, hi kids. I didn't see you there. I'm Ballerina Gabriella, and in this video, we are going to be teaching you guys about how to wear your masks right, social distance, and yeah, that's basically it. I hope you're all staying safe in COVID times. And oh yeah, I almost forgot. Puppets can't actually get COVID, don't worry, but humans can, so you better stay safe. Oh, that's my Chef Croissant. Let's go see what he's doing. Oh, hi, Chef Croissant.
Oh, hi, Gabriella.
I have 2 questions for you.
Yes.
Number 1, why are you cooking with your hand again?
I'm cooking with my hand. My hand isn't dead yet.
No, I think it's good.
Okay. What's your second question?
What are you cooking?
Play-Doh.
No, actually, what are you cooking?
I'm actually cooking Play-Doh. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. Look.
Come on here, kids. Let's look.
Who are you talking to?
The kids out there.
Oh, hi.
Oh, who's that?
I don't know. You will answer. I keep
Okay.
on cooking.
Goodbye. Oh, hi.
Hi, my name's Firefighter Joe. I'm just seeing how you guys are doing during this pandemic.
Oh, I'm good.
Oh my gosh, you're not wearing a mask.
Yeah, I ran out.
You need to go buy some at the store.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Boys and girls, Firefighter Joe made me buy some masks, so I put on my mask. This is how you wear it properly. Pinched nose, nose covered, and you can't have any breathing holes like that or like that. I have an extended mouth, so let's go check on Chef Croissant. Oh, you're already here.
Yes, I am, Gabriella.
You're wearing your mask wrong.
But I feel like my mustachio needs to be shown out to the world so I can get some ladies, you know?
No one cares about the getting married and dating during COVID.
But my mustachio.
No.
Okay,
Put it
bye.
on properly.
Fine, I will after.
Let's check on Gabriella and Chef Croissant to see how they're wearing their masks now. Oh. Wow.
I put
Is
my
my
mask
mask
on.
okay?
It's perfect.
Is mine?
Yay!
Perfect.
Okay, bye. Stay safe. Have a good day, boys and girls.